What is going on, guys? It is your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with a update video, guys. We are going to go over the 7-day mining, or 7th day or week mining on the Osprey E300. Kind of going to go over how it's been so far, as well as how many coins we have accumulated in those 7 days compared to like something like what to mine and things like that. So let's dig in, but first a word from our sponsor, which it is extra cool today.
Introducing the OctoMiner OctoTank 12 Home Immersion Cooling System. The future of cryptocurrency mining and home heating. Quiet, cool, and efficient. The OctoTank 12 allows you to overclock your ASIC miners up to 70% to get more performance for your money. Compatible with up to 2 ASICs. Fully plug-and-play system. The immersion system ensures that your miners stay cool. Perfect for garage or basement heating. Up to 150 square meters of heating capacity. Clean and minimalist design. Fully weatherproof. Designed to last for years. Save money while keeping your home warm and cozy this winter. Order yours now.
All right, guys, so here is the Osprey E300. It's like literally right behind this blob that you can actually see the time that it's been up and running. But uptime has just been over 7 days. It was like 8 days and some change. So hurrying up and covering part of this before the timer rolls into the next day. So right now we are still chugging along, and it was at 14.33 gigahashes. It has not really like fluctuated, changed, anything. Only thing that's like really changed is the fan speed going up and down and how warm it's been, which really isn't even that bad, because currently it's only 49 degrees, 50 degrees C on the temperatures. So it's actually rather cool out there in the well house, and to think today it's only like 30 or 40 degrees, if that. So it was only like in the 20s last night. But in the span of a week, as you can see right here, the month you can't really tell because it was like it hashed for a few days before that, so it's kind of off skew. But since it's been in my possession, I can account for the last week, and it was 5.807k. Now I took this right before I made this video, so this is as current as it can be. We do have like 396 sitting in the balance, so that will be like added into that before I think the counter sets at 500. 500 is the balance, like the minimum balance for setup right now in order to cash to the wallet. But registering at the pool is 12.15 gigahashes. Now that is, every now and then you kind of see it up to about 13-ish. Now the reason why you only see that is because it is 10% on Team Red Miner for the like fee. So you're taking a good 10% hash rate like right off the top. Alright, so that does add into a fact. It doesn't take it by like coins or anything, it takes it by hash rate. And community mines the hash rate to Team Red Miner. So 12 hours it hit around 440 Kaspa, and a 24-hour period it was 868.552 Kaspa, as well as 5.807k in a singular week's time. Alright, so if you go over here to good old what to mine, now the default by what to mine on Kaspa is like 5%. So we changed the 5% to 11% because of the fact that giving the room for errors, and the fact of Wooly Pulley has a fee as well. So Wooly Pulley's fee plus Like really, it should actually be like 12%. But Woolly Poly's fee plus Team Red Miner's fee at 8 cents per kilowatt hour should net you around 6,000 coins in a singular week's time, and we are like pretty close, right? After this plus this, you would be over 3k. So pretty spot on with the calculator, right? So 14.33 like 14,330 mega hashes at 458 watts at 8 cents. Fees 12%. You're getting about 117 a day, or that's in fees, sorry. Estimated rewards was 859, almost 860 per day, or 6,000 coins in a week's time. Your profit after you pay your electric in a month's time, right here, is $132. So this machine will cost me $26.38 in a month's time to run, and it nets 132. I'd say not bad. Really not bad. Hardware cost was like what, 4,800, not 40,000. You can just throw that in there, so you'd break even in 1,000 days. If you want to look at it like that. But price of Kaspa fluctuates, so I'm not selling any of the Kaspa at the current moment that I'm aware of, so it doesn't really matter to me. Alright, so I do find that rather FA, right? In my personal opinion. The Osprey is doing fairly well in the last week. So you can see right here the chip temperatures, the board temperatures, is where it's currently sitting at right now. Haven't really had to play with any of the overclocks or anything because it hashes extremely well as it sits. Fan speed is currently at 7. It's kind of fluctuates between 5 and 7 depending on the temperatures outside and if the well house exhaust fan is on, which right now it is on, so it is that time of the day. So the fan speed has kind of gone maybe up a little bit, and it's also warmer compared to the 15 to 20 degrees we see in the middle of the night. Alright, so keep that in mind. Now, we do know that the Kaspa Dagnite consensus has been, is being fully created and is being worked on as it currently sits. We can view right here at the master blob if we so choose, and it was fully funded as of December 30th, so we will see the implementation of Dagnite coming here soon. So I'm actually pretty curious of what this will do with hash rate, as well as transactions per second, as well as the difficulty, right? That does interest me. What really interests me the most is, of course, right now they are sitting around 90% funded on Kaspa on Rust. This is what interests me the most because of the fact of so right now they have the mining rule algorithm and mining RPC API completed, because it will change things once that comes out. So I would assume that there will be a new rewrite of the Kaspa bitstream for FPGAs, most likely, in order to be utilized on the network, because rules will be changing once Rust is implemented. Significant UTXO commitments have been optimizations, which is a lot of the transactions per second will be upped. Now, what they are complete but still in review is the P2P Infura, which is a P2Pool, as well as pre-running part 1 and the mempool. Now, the UTXO index and the wallet Infura web / the Rust CLI is still in progress. Now, once Kaspa on Daniel Keller, first one, keep grinding. Once this is fully implemented in, we will see smart contracts open up and more implementations of maybe more DeFi, NFTs, DEXs, AMMs will open their doors more to something like Kaspa. Maybe in, I think you'll see it on a lot of places that you'll see like Solana natively. So maybe further down the line they'll implement it into Magic Eden or who knows what. Who knows? But it will most likely work hand in hand, if not be somewhat better in quotations than Solana. So, not financial advice whatsoever, but that's what I think. Love to see it. Can't wait to see more stuff coming out from Kaspa and the team. So, much love to y'all. If y'all are listening, please reach out. I would love to do an interview. Would love to talk more. So, catch you on the flip side, guys. Much love. Peace out. Keep on hashing. The E300 is absolutely fantastic piece of hardware, and I have thoroughly enjoyed hashing on it thus far. So, hope y'all stay savage. Keep hashing. Keep your watts up. Keep your watts down. Your hash is up. See y'all next time. Peace.